Whoa, Kiki, look at this mess!
The sorting robot is confused.
Beep. Error. Box is mixed up.
Don't worry, we can fix it.
Let's sort it out together.
Welcome to the sorting factory.
Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Does it have a tail or a leaf from a tree? Group them by color or group them by size. Sorting is smart and sorting is wise. At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Sorting together is so much fun. Here is a red ball, here is a red car. They look quite different, like a moon and a star. But put them together in the big red bin. That's how the sorting game begins to win. Same color, same place, nice and neat. Sorting makes patterns easy to see. Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Find the pattern, 1, 2, 3. Group them by color or group them by size. Sorting is clever, what a surprise! At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Come on, everybody, join the fun. Big box here and a tiny one there. Round and square, we sort with care. Put the big ones over here, small ones there. Nice and clear, shape and size can help us see how to group things perfectly. Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Sorted smart, that's the key. Group them by color or group them by size. Sorting helps you organize. At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Sorting power, everyone. Here's a puppy, here's an apple too. They don't belong in the same group, do they? Animals here, snacks over there. Sorting rules show we care. Living things and things to eat. Sorting makes it nice and neat. Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Clap your hands and sort with me. Group them by color or group them by size. Sorting is fun, no surprise. At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Dance and sort, it's double fun. Now look closer, let's try a new rule. Is it a snack or a thing for school? One goes to the kitchen, one to the bag. Every group gets a digital tag. Rules help us decide the way. Sorting smarter every day. Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Use your brain, that's the key. Group them by color or group them by size. Sorting makes you super wise. At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Learning together is so much fun. So, toys, books, and clothes we wear, we sort them all with love and care. Apps and games do this too. Sorting data just for you. From your room to screens you see. Sorting shapes reality. Pick it up, look it over, what do you see? Sorting champs, 1, 2, 3. Group them by color or group them by size. You're sorting superstars, no surprise. At the sorting factory, click, clack, done. Sorting heroes, everyone. The robot smiles, you fix my day. Coco cheers, we found a way. Kiki half used our brain. Now everything's in place again. Step by step we solve the clue. Great job me, and great job you. So,